Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rafat, pediatric neurologist based in Gurgaon and Delhi. Today is 2nd of April, which is celebrated worldwide as Autism Awareness Day, and April is celebrated as Autism Awareness or Autism Acceptance Month. Okay, so in the month of April, I'll be sharing videos related to autism, the need of early detection, early intervention, and many other things. So, what is autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder is a behavioral problem in which a child can have speech and language communication delay, can have sensory issues, can have a tendency to stay in his own world, some repetitive behaviors, etc. So many a times parents come to us with the complaints of कि हमारा बच्चा 3 साल का हो गया, ये बात नहीं कर रहा है, right? So they come directly at 3 years of age, but we have to understand that even before the child starts talking, there are various other non-verbal ways of communication. जैसे एक अगर छोटा सा infant भी हो, a couple of months old, he will look at you, he will smile back at you, he will speak in his own language, which is known as cooing or babbling, etc. Right? So from an early age, he has non-verbal ways of communication. So if the child is having poor eye contact or loss of eye contact, meaning पहले आई कॉन्टैक्ट अच्छा था, आफ्टर अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, जनरली अबाउट 15 to 18 months of age के बाद, इफ देर इज रिग्रेशन इन सोशल माइलस्टोन्स, रिग्रेशन इन आई कॉन्टैक्ट, पुअर रिस्पॉन्स टू नेम, टेंडेंसी टू स्टे इन हिज ओन वर्ल्ड, not mingling with others kids, having repetitive behaviors or repetitive symptoms like very selective pickup of things. So अगर मैं ये रूम में कुछ कर रहा है बच्चा और मैं उसे बुला रही हूँ, he will not listen to me, but when a song is playing which is of his interest, he will come running from the other room. Okay, so एक moodiness, एक selectivity चीज़ों के बारे में, this can be a presenting symptom of autism. Also sensory issues like हमारे senses होते हैं, your vision, your hearing, your tactile touch, vibration, position sense वगैरह. So increased sensory needs, जैसे कि बहुत ज़्यादा जंपिंग करना या बहुत ज़्यादा विजुअल स्कैनिंग करना या अपने विजुअल स्टिमुलेशन करना या कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज़ों को देखना या हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी टू सम काइंड ऑफ साउंड और हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी टू सम काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर्स ऑफ फूड, नॉट पिकी ईटर, नॉट ईटिंग वेल, एक्सेट्रा could also be sign and symptoms of autism. Play, so they want to do self play, lack of meaningful play, दूसरे बच्चों के साथ, अपने एज ग्रुप के बच्चों के साथ मिंगल नहीं हो पाना. सो दीज कुड बी साइन एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ ऑटिज्म. So we have to pick up these signs and symptoms early and reach out to a pediatric neurologist or developmental specialist to start early intervention therapy, which is much needed in a child who is suspected to have autism spectrum disorder. Thank you. I hope this helps and see you in the next video. Bye.